be there.
Okay. No problem. Do it a couple more times down this. I clean them easy.
Yeah.
It was fun.
And the second one, like, it looked the same as the first one, but when I went over it, like, I landed in the middle-ish.
Yeah.
And then the landing was like,
It was
so
steep.
when you do go clear it, you're going, whoa.
That's where getting a pull, like a pull is really helpful.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you're not landing straight down, you're kind of coming in at the side.
Uh-huh.
All right. Going for it.
Yep, yep. Yeah, that was the one Joe did.
Yeah. You ready, brother?
Sure.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it. I didn't see that. I'm gonna go on by. You do what you gotta do.
It's definitely doable.
Oh, sure.
It's just a question of
speed.
the speed, you know, coming in, you know, because you don't have to go. If I just come into it, clear that table, roll into it at whatever trail, it should be fine.
Right. It's all good.
Dude, I am so stoked.
Well, yeah, now you know what you've been eyeing up and training towards paid off. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really happy.
I
Like,
bet you are.
you know,
Should be.
yeah, because I didn't actually know what I was or wasn't gonna do.
Right.
The one thing I thought I would do is the feature that Joe did.
Oh, right.
Like
The
that I
wooden
figured
drop
I
there.
would do, and I would do
Not
the
all
pipeline
others.
drop.
Yeah.
The other tables, afterwards I was like, okay, the 3 at the next section, I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to hit those. Those ones at the top after we did the whale tail, like those 3 I knew I could clear. And man, it's crazy how much smaller they look to me.
I bet.
It's
Based
wild.
on what I saw you doing out there, this is just like equal,
On-
I don't
on
say
par.
less than, different.
Different, but pretty much on par.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I'm doing it,
I know.
you know? Because for me, in my mind's eye, I see it. I'm like, oh, I've done this before. Just,
So, but it's always good to go back to the old starting grounds and go like, psh. I mean, it's not, I'm not saying it's fucking
nothing.
nothing. It's just where you're at has made it average.
It's great, because then you really can see that, did I get any better
Of course
from
you
when
did.
I've been away,
But
right?
you knew you did, but that puts it confirmation.
That's the word, confirmation.
Yeah, and I like that little whale tail. Like to me now, that's just, we'll mix it up.
Okay. Domboo! This is what I'm used to riding moon dust like this.